Welcome to Bike Review Pro, where we bring you detailed insights on the latest motorcycles. Today we're checking out the 2025 Bajaj Pulsar 125, a bike that blends performance, efficiency and affordability. Let's see what's new in this latest model. Design and styling. Bajaj has given the Pulsar 125 a fresh, sporty look while keeping its classic appeal. The new LED headlamp, sharp tank extensions and updated graphics make it look more aggressive. With fresh color options and sporty alloy wheels, it stands out as a stylish commuter bike. Engine and performance. Powering the 2025 Pulsar 125 is a refined 124.4cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, producing around 11.8 HP and 11 Nm of torque. The engine is tuned for a balance between power and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for both city rides and occasional highway cruising. The 5.6-speed gearbox ensures smooth shifts, while the updated fuel injection system enhances performance. Technology and features. The new digital analog instrument cluster now comes with Bluetooth connectivity, offering call and SMS alerts. Bajaj has also introduced LED DRLs, a USB charging port, and an engine kill switch for added convenience. The CBS Combi braking system ensures improved safety, especially for new riders. Ride and comfort. With a lightweight frame and comfortable seat, the Pulsar 125 is easy to handle in traffic. The telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers provide a smooth ride over bumps. The slightly sporty yet upright riding posture ensures comfort, whether you're commuting daily or going on a weekend ride. Price and verdict. The 2025 Bajaj Pulsar 125 continues to be an excellent choice for riders looking for a stylish, fuel-efficient and affordable motorcycle. With its modern features and legendary Pulsar DNA, it's a great pick for students, young professionals and first-time bike owners. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Bike Review Pro and drop a comment. Would you pick the Pulsar 125 for your daily rides? See you in the next one.